What are the plans that you had during childhood that matches your reality or your current situation? Kasi 'di ba, it's fulfilling when your preconceived plans coincide with your present. Pero paano naman if hindi mo na-meet yung mga pinapangarap mo? Would you call yourself a failure? Let me share my thoughts on that. Tuloy na sa Sawalay Thoughts. Looking back at my childhood plans, kumpara sa meron ako ngayon, medyo malayo eh. Lalo na when I was younger, I have an overreactive imagination. So, naplano ko na yung buong buhay ko. And yes, ganun ako ka-overthinker. Bukod sa bet ko sana mapangasawa si Inuyasha at si Gaara. These are the top 5 expectations nung childhood plans ako at ibabangga natin siya sa reality ko ngayon. Number 1, I would like to be a teacher or an astronaut. Pero ngayon, sa totoo lang, I never pursued being a teacher or an astronaut. Pero yung course ko na tinake ko nung college, pwede naman siyang maging connected sa teaching actually. Pwede ako maging professor in college and pwede rin ako mag-take ng units para maging teacher for grade school students and high school students. Pero hindi ko ginawa. Number 2, I would be married at 30 and I will have 2 kids. Isang babae at isang lalaki. So ngayon, anong nangyari? I'm still not married, I'm 30 years old, and I'm a single mom sa 2 anak ko na babae. So, yun. Number 3, I was expecting that my husband would be someone musically inclined. And, as na-mention ko nga, I'm still not married. So, yun, wala akong asawa ngayon. Number 4, I would live with my friends in one neighborhood. Never nangyari. My friends and I live in different locations. Although yung iba kong friends will live in Mindanao, all of us, pero iba't ibang city yon. At minsan, when we are in the same city, hindi pa rin kami nagkikita-kita. O diba, ang saklap. Number 5, I thought I will never leave Laguna. Kasi di ba po si Sawelay, laking Laguna siya. Akala ko hindi na ako alis ng Laguna. Pero, I left Laguna after graduating from grade school to continue my higher studies or higher education in General Santos. So, alam mo yun, medyo ang layo ng mga plinano ko kumpara sa mga nangyari sa akin at nangyayari sa akin ngayon sa kasalukuyan. And totoo nga, reality will hit you hard kasi reality hit me hard. I am already 30 years old. I'm a mom to 2 toddler girls but I still feel lost. Imagine niyo yun, 30 ka na, may 2 ka ng anak, you're single mom, pero hindi mo pa rin alam kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa buhay. Yung medyo nangangapa ka pa rin. Nakakatakot at nakaka-disappoint, pero I've learned to make do with what I have experienced. For me, personally, diba, para makakope ako dun sa disappointment na nararamdaman ko sa sarili ko, I learned to own my journey and look for the littlest joy dun sa mga effort na binibigay ko kahit may possibility of failure. Like what I have mentioned sa previous episode, there might be something good out of our negative experiences. Also, na-realize ko rin na as we get older, our actions evolve para ma-meet yung gap between dun sa mga plinano natin at dun sa kasalukuyang nangyayari sa atin. Kasi ako, di ba, for example, I thought I was going to be a teacher. However, today, I work as a team member of a BPO company and part of my daily routine at work is to provide support and advice to other team members whenever they need. So it's like being a teacher pero sa mga fellow adults ko na, which is more challenging kasi nga them, being fellow adults, may mga preconceived na silang paniniwala at may iba't iba silang understanding or pagkakaintindi dun sa process na ginagawa namin. So, hindi nga ako naging teacher ng mga grade school students or high school students, pero nagiging advisor naman ako dun sa mga katim ko na mga adults din. So, alam niyo yun, as we experience the real life, it's normal na may changes sa mga gusto natin mangyari and kung paano natin maa-achieve yung mga yon. And as what I have experienced, no, life is hard in itself. That's why you, as an individual, you should always give yourself grace. You know, show yourself compassion and acceptance, especially during hard moments. Wag naman po tayong parang galit na tayo sa sarili natin just because we're disappointed. Oh, disappointed tayo, but after all, we are humans and we are not perfect. We evolve and we adapt. We learn from past experiences and we persevere to do better. So, you should never label yourself as a failure kasi who knows, maybe we are meant for something better than we had hoped for. Sabi nga sa libro na The Zahir by Paulo Coelho, there are two kinds of worlds, the one we dream about and the real one. And ako, sa experience ko ngayon, yes, totoo, dalawa yung mundo na meron tayo, yung pinapangarap natin at yung ginagalaw natin. Pero with what I'm experiencing right now, the goal is not to choose, but rather to make the two worlds meet. Padayan lang ga. Ayan! Salamat sa pakikinig sa episode na to. Follow me on Instagram at Sawalay Thoughts and leave your comments there or sa Q&A portion ng episode na to. You may also follow this podcast to stay updated sa mga latest episodes. Again, ito po ang babaeng madaldal na walang makausap. Daldal again next time dito sa Sawalay Thoughts.